This is NAVITEL T757 4G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step that I recommend taking is to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then amongst the available controls at the notification panel, find the icon that is responsible for the nearby share, then touch and hold. Edit. Once the nearby share page opens, you gotta toggle on the switch to enable it. Then you can rename the device if necessary. You can also turn on or off the device visibility, as well as restrict the visibility to only your devices, your contacts, or not restricted at all. You can also change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. And well, you're all set and ready to go. Now let's test this feature out. So let's say I'll try sending this screenshot from my Nokia to the tablet and see how well it performs. Since this tablet is oblivious, more or less, it takes a lot of more time than it should. But finally it went through, so now I can accept the transfer at the receiver's end and simply wait for the photo or file to be sent and received, or simply transferred. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. As you can see, the picture was successfully sent. So thanks for watching and bye bye.